in Tairua. We're driving over to the Coromandel, or to a city or a town called Coromandel. We stopped and went to a farmer's market, and now we are stopping to see a Kauri Grove. No, what are we looking at?
Kauri trees.
So it may have been a long time since I've been in Canadian cold water, but that is about the coldest water we've been in 6 months. It was freaking freezing, but very refreshing, and like, I don't know, it almost looks man-made. It's so picturesque.
Say hi to Daddy. Hi.
Are you at a waterfall, Ez?
Where's the waterfall?